This girl, they use me to play. Hey, she must give me my own money. See, that girl, they use me to play. Me, Ben. Ha! If you don't give me my own share of this money, I will bring this roof down. You know if you drop my money, I will follow them up. You no girl I want to live on. Just imagine, this way we say me and them. Now me they coordinate, now me they call, and now me they talk everything. I don't feel let them drop my money now. Ha! No fear alarm.
What is your problem? Why have you not been taking my calls?
I guess you know the whereabouts of my daughter. Where is she?
When did that suddenly become useful to you? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? And now you're asking me her whereabouts. Please stop calling me. Avoid me, oh. As you can see, I'm not happy. Avoid me, oh. Avoid me.
Mr. Ben, come back here.
Baby, open the door. Baby, please open the door. Don't hurt yourself, okay? I will make it up to you by tomorrow morning. Just open the door. Baby, open. Open the door, okay? Baby. Listen, next time you and your concubine sends unprofessional idiots after my wife, but listen real good. Next time you and your concubine tries this, I will not only kill both of you, but I will make sure you die a painful death.
Okay. Has it gotten to a point where you now bring threats to my doorstep?
I'm not threatening you. I will tell you what I will do.
Wait and see.
The next time you make an attempt on my life, I swear you will regret having me as a son. Nonsense. Also give me a ban in labor. Boys! Nonsense.
This boy is me. I have to be ready for him.
He came into your compound, pointed a gun at you, and threatened to kill you. And yet, you couldn't do anything. You just stood there. You couldn't do anything. And now you tell me that you've got a plan. What stupid plan are you talking about?
God me some respect. I don't like the way you are talking.
Oh, respect. Respect. The same respect will be refused to accord to you. everything to make you happy. Everything.
Hush. I don't like the way you're making it look like I do not care.
Of course you don't care.
I do.
You don't. You don't. I put in my time, my contacts, everything. And what did I get in return? Fake promises, fake hope, fake stamp, fake seal on my surety form.
Oh, gosh. Micheal, don't always remind me of my mistakes all the time.
Oh, please, it wasn't a mistake. Don't tell me that. It wasn't a mistake. You just chose to be evil for good.
No person. This woman, I resemble for that woman. Are you acquiring for this place now?
Oh, shut up! You must be very stupid.
Thank you. Thank you.
Rubbish.
Miriam.
What?
So this is it. So this is true. How could you do this to your mother? How could you be this heartless? How could you be this inhuman to the woman that gave birth to you?
What do you mean?
I heard that Chief Ikenga has signed and stamped the surety form you created with your own business name. Is that true?
And what's wrong with that?
I beg your pardon? You heard me. This is sheer betrayal. It's unfair.
Oh, preacher, preach. I mean, coming from someone who betrayed her husband, and you didn't see that as wickedness, right? And now I betrayed her. All of a sudden, I am heartless and wicked. I don't know. Why do people love emotional blackmail so much that it drips on them like a sweat? Why?
I thought we had a deal.
Really? You know what? I think this is the end of this conversation, okay? I don't want my love to come meet you here. So please, get out.
You can't do this to me.
All right. Watch me. Hey, you! Take her out. I don't want to see her here.
Miriam, I'm your mother.
Are you? Well, mother, go and ask my father how it feels to be betrayed. Go and ask him! Hey, you! Take her out. Push her if possible.
Miriam, you can't do that to me.
I'm serious about that. I don't want to see her here.
You can't do this to me.
Get out.
Madam!
Miriam!
Madam! Come out for here! My mother has a matter. I am mother. Come out now. I want something for work. Madam, come out. Madam, I will push out for you.
You are greedy. You are selfish.
You are
a gold digger. Unfaithful people.
Come out for here. Come out now. Come out.
No respect. No loyalty.
Everything problem.
No trust.
Madam, push out for me. Come out for here. Come out now.
Betrayal everywhere. No trust. No respect. No loyalty. Betrayal everywhere.
When I tell you, if I see you again for this race, when I go finish me, when I don't go fire me, but I enter for you again. When I won't punish me.
in a green glass. You have skeleton in your cupboard, and you want to reap where you did not sow. If I feel made a medal, I get back here. You think you're brave and smart. You think you're the master of the game. Negodi, no trust, negodi, no respect, no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. Like husband, like wife, no respect, begin no loyalty, betrayal everywhere. Betrayal everywhere. No trust, no respect, because of selfish interest. Betrayal everywhere. Sometimes in this life, the people closest to you always betray you and make your home where you can never.
Yes. What do you want?
You know him, the man I told you about.
You are?
Chief Ikenga, CEO OBI Dynasty, a pharmacist of high repute.
Yes. He's the man I told you that wants my hand in marriage, you know. Yes.
Chief Ikenga, Miriam ceased to be my daughter the very day she connived with her mother to betray me. Consequently, I don't want to have anything to do with her or whatever, anything that connects her. Nothing whatsoever.
Chief Okiwo, I do not know what transpired between you and your daughter, but I'm assuring you that I will make it up to you.
You don't know what I have lost. You don't.
Whatever you may have lost in the recent past, as a result of this, I will make sure that you recoup in 2 weeks. Trust me.
You see, my brother is a man of his word. He does not say what he cannot do.
Well, Chief Okibo, I know it's so hard for you to, assimilate, but I advise that you be more civil and grant us audience. You're a man like me.
But you can't do this without one or two of your kinsmen.
I'll do what I asked you to do. Bring cola, bring cola. Cola is here.
Yeah, we've seen it. Ojieze Naka.
May God bless this cola. The legs that you, my prospective in-laws, used to walk to my house, the same legs you will use to walk home in peace, in safety, in good health. Whoever partakes in the eating of this kola nut, may the person live long, good health and prosperity.
Okibo.
So, yes. Wonderful.
Yes. Go bale. Aleza.
Aha! Chief Silas, my good friend. Dead on time. You came at the right time to fill the space.
What space? What space are you talking about?
These are our prospective in-laws. They came here to ask of Miriam's hand in marriage.
Wonderful news. You are welcome, my in-laws.
Thank you.
I like the sound of that in-laws.
Anyway, Silas, this is Chief Ikemba, the CEO of OBI Dynasty. Yeah? And this is the brother, Mr. Uzokwor. Right?
You are welcome once again. You're welcome.
Thank you. It's our pleasure.
This is Silas, Chief Silas. We grew up together, we schooled together, and we did things together. And as a matter of fact, we are still doing things together.
Birds of the same feathers.
It's a pleasure having you. Welcome.
Well, now that all said is done, introduction has been made, we go straight to the introduction, right?
I like to hear that. we are ready and capable.
I think it's high time I fired back at you. What is wrong with you? What is your problem? What is it? Eh? You know, you think you can threaten me and I will keep calm? Are you stupid? Hello? Hello? You won't dare me. Listen, I am not that type of woman you threaten with blackmail. You don't try that with me. It's okay.
Give it to that heartless man who has decided to take you away from me for the rest of your life and my life. Thank you.
Akugo, Adakibea, Omalichanwa, Aduku, Adanda.
Baby.
Oh, my shit. That is what I want.
Stop! If you move and inch, you will get no. You are not invited here.
What are you doing here?
This will not hold.
Obi, you do not tell me what to do.
You might not like what I will say next.
I don't care what you're about to say next. Leave here at once.
Now, I thought I told you that your father is making arrangements for the burial of your mother. Huh?
It is not about my mother this time around. This marriage will not hold because she is evil.
You don't say.
Yes. She is a wolf in sheep clothing.
Really?
She has skeleton in her cupboard. This will not hold.
Obi!
Baby, I just like this.
Can't hold. Hold.
Now what's been about this?
Can't hold.
Obi! You are trying me! This is atrocious!
What is going on here?
An abomination! Nana, this will not hold. What are you doing here? Genga, I thought you told me that this woman has been arrested. Nana, what are they talking about?
It was an accident. I didn't mean to kill her.
What? Who is she to you? She's my second wife. Excuse me? You mean to tell me that this woman has been gallivanting and perambulating for the past 15 years after killing my brother's wife? Huh?
Please calm down. I want to get something. Is it my mother you're talking about?
Yes!
So you are the person that made me motherless for the past 15 years.
Nana! So you're a murderer!
I will say the truth.
So you're a murderer!
Actually, it was me that killed her, but it was an accident. Please. It was an accident.
This woman is dangerously diabolical.
I will make sure the law takes its course on this case. And if they fail, I will personally...
Please don't kill me. I didn't mean to kill her. Actually, it was me that kidnapped him.
Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Hey.
Let's go.
Please, I didn't mean to kill. It was a
Stop crying, okay? Miriam, stop crying. You will just harm yourself.
Oh, am I sure you're still going to marry me after all that happened?
I am giving you full assurance, Miriam. Nothing is going to stop me from marrying you. What happened today has nothing to do with it.
I'm sad. I'm angry.
Why are you sad? You're mine. Okay?
Then make it official. Make it official.
I am giving you my words. Okay? You will be my wife in no distant time. Trust me. Oh, okay. So how do you want it? It's okay. Stop crying, bro.
No.
Huh?
I want to make a suggestion, baby.
Do it. What's this? What's it?
I want us to have a court marriage.
You know, I'm a traditional man. It's not going to be... Okay. So when do you want it?
It doesn't matter if you're a traditional man. You have to do it for a baby. You have to do it for us.
Can you just give me time to think about it?
There's nothing to think about. There's
no problem. It's okay. So it's exactly what do you want? How do you want it? How do you want it?
I want us to have it tomorrow. We can have a court marriage tomorrow, Nest.
It's done. Okay? Stop crying. It's done.
It's done.
Yes.
I love you so much, baby.
My sweet girl.
I don't want to lose you.
It's alright. It's okay.
I want to be yours for life.
Sweetest woman on earth. My mommy, it's alright.
I don't want to lose you. I want you to be all mine.
It's okay.
Forever.
My money is fine.
Is that why you invited me? Oh no, you invited me to tell me that Obi, your son, abducted your precious child. I thought you invited me for us so we can deliberate on how to bury your late wife.
Because I was going to do that. I was going to do that.
Look, all this while I've been on your side, but this time around, I'm on your short side. If you cannot bury your late wife, there will be no peace of mind for you.
It's okay. Who's here?
I'm listening now. I'm an agent.
I will send some money into your account to take charge of that.
Now you're talking. That is it.
Tell Obi to release my wife today.
Let us bury her first. Udogu. Let us bury her first. Ah.
Baby, you revive my life when I thought all hope is lost. What could I have done without you, baby? You made me to see light, yo. What could I have done without you? You gave me joy. What have you done to me, baby? You gave me love. And that's no life is sweet like this. Make your love, they carry me, they go. What have you done to me? Carry me.
Now that Asa's burial is finally over, could you please tell Obi to release Miriam to me?
Udogu, Miriam has been released now. She was released on the burial day.
She's not yet back.
I've not seen her. Then she must be in her father's house.
Uzozie, I was born a child, but I was not born in the night. If she is in her father's house, her father would have called me to tell me so.
Anyway, Udogu, that is not why I'm here. Now that the burial of your late wife is over, do you not think it's high time you
I don't want to hear anything rather than I want to see my wife home forever. Don't you understand that? Oh. She's here. Baby. Baby. Ah. Baby. Are you alright?
I'm taking all this because I love you. I think I should go back to my father's house.
So as I was saying, Udogu,
Miriam.
Baby, Ikenga. Baby, Ikenga.
It's not what you think. Listen to me.
Ikenga. Ha! Miriam Agunaya. Udogu. Udogu. Udogu onye ifu so gburu. A na-eni eni ku sugar cane ma nwo o. Umu na ada ajiku ye gburu ya. Udogu. Ikenga.
What have you done to me? Carry me to go. And that's no life is sweet like this. Believe in me, believe in me.
Barrister Basebayan.
Yes, please.
Please proceed.
Thank you very much. Gentlemen and lady, here is the will of Chief Ikenga Akata, who is residing at number 102 Ikenga Avenue, Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. My 3 pharmaceutical companies, one is at Opebi, Ikeja, Lagos, one in Asaba, and the other one at Owerri. The OBI dynasty in Asaba belongs to my unborn child, Diamond. Furthermore, my textile companies in Nebisi Road, Asaba, and at New Market Road, Onitsha, belongs to my wife, respectively. I proceed. My 2 poultry farms will go to my brother, Uzozie, and my bakery in Aba belongs to my first son, Obi.
Excuse me. The bakery in Aba belongs to a dilapidated bakery that stopped working 17 years ago. What an insult. Father, this is totally unacceptable.
Obi, if this is totally unacceptable, the road is free. Go and make your own mind. Barrister, please proceed.
Okay.
Will you shut up? Watch what you say around here, else you won't live alive. Nonsense. Now listen real good, father. I'm giving you 24 hours with my lips. 24 hours to revisit that will and do the needful. Else, burning down this empire will be the smallest thing I will do. It's a golden promise, and I mean every word of it.
This is ridiculous and malicious. It's cantankerous and dangerous. Remember how much his mother, your late wife, invested on you and your companies.
Uzozie, if this whole process does not all go well with you, give him yours.
Is that what you think? King, I remember vividly in the year 2000, because I have visual memory. Your late wife, Asa, gave you the sum of 10 million naira. I also remember in that same year when our son Obi won his first international prize, the sum of $20,000. You also used that money to build your first pharmaceutical company.
Why are you being jealous? Why are you bringing me back to my past? What's the matter with you? I'm asking you, what exactly are you driving at? Why are you bringing me back to my past? What's the matter with you?
Very well. Your will is your will. But it's not fair. Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown.
Uzozie, your head is too small for a crown. You don't know what crown looks like, and you never wear one. Oh, you can as well go.
Chief, can I continue?
Yes, please continue.
It's okay. See you next time. I mean, I don't know who is behind this.
It's so perfect. I love it.
What's love done to me, baby? You gave me love, and that's no life is sweet like this. Make your love, they carry me, they go. What's love done to me? You carry me, they go. And that's no life is sweet like this. Believe in me, believe in me, oh. Ibakala believe in me. Tolo-togo, no. Nami ayo for life. Believe in me.
Where are you? Open this gate! Ozokwor! Open this gate! Oh, you didn't hear me. Huh? You didn't hear me. Are you? Oh, you bastards are still here. What are you still doing here? Thank God! God has exposed your mother and sent her where she belongs. So what are you still doing in my husband's house? I own this house. Go back to the mother's bed. Ah, Ekubo, honey. I didn't know you were around.
What are you doing here? Huh? And what gave you the impetus to come here to harass my children in their own house?
Your children? How are you sure they are your biological children? Do you think you are their real father? See, Ekubo. You need to get rid of these things so that we can fix our family. We've gone through enough troubles. I am ready to stand by you. Trust me on this. Please.
And I ask you again, what are you doing here? Who sent for you?
Are you still angry? I'm sorry. Please. We all make mistakes. I've accepted mine. And I am ready to make amends. Please.
Good. You've accepted your mistake. And don't you ever, in your entire life, come to this house again to harass my children in their own house. Is that understood?
Oh, so you now value those things more than the woman that built with you from the scratch? Come on, Ekubo. We are bigger than this. Don't forget the bad and...
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry. But please, honey.
Which woman are you talking about? The woman that connived with someone who calls herself my daughter to betray me? Now get out from here before I change my mind. Now, get out.
Please, I am sorry, whatever it is. I am. But
don't touch me. I say get out. Get out. Idiot. Get out. Get out. No sense. Get out, idiot. If you come near this house again, I will so deal with you. Nonsense. Get out. Get. Idiot.
You have some text messages.
Text messages?
Still coming in. Yeah.
Never have it. Text message.
Hey! My money!
What?
My money!
What happened?
My money! What? My money's gone!
Ah!
My money!
Baby, what?
My money!
Baby,
Hey!
oh, wait!
Hey! Hey!
Baby.
My money! My money!
Oh my goodness!
My money! My money!
Our money!
My money!
Oh my God!
Hey! Hey!
What's doing this?
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Oh my God!
As if that was not enough, the remaining money in that account was freezed this morning.
What type of story is this? Have you called your bank?
I called my bank officer. She said I should come back on Monday, that today's a weekend.
How much are we talking about?
20 billion.
20 what? This is not funny at all. 20 billion.
So Obi want me dead. Do you know I nearly died of heart attack last night?
How are you sure he's the one behind all this? Does he work in the bank?
He's the one. Uzozie, he is the one. Were you not here when he threatened to burn down this whole house if I do not reverse the will? Were you not here?
But I did not hear him say you will empty your bank account. Or did he call to say he's the one who did it?
You don't know what Obi is capable of doing. He is the one behind this. I can swear to any deity, swear before any deity anywhere that he is the one behind this.
So, Dogu, you trust your new wife so much that you do not think she must have leaked some information about you?
Oh, what is your problem? What is the matter with you? Why do you hate her so much? Why?
Me? Hate your new wife? Why do you think I hate her? Odogu, it is the rat in the house that tells the one outside that there's fish in the first place.
You should use your brain and think on how to get or be arrested, not to talk nonsense.
Then go ahead and get him arrested. But don't call me as a witness. So.
Father, watch how you make noise around here. Be careful.
You are responsible for that fraudulent act and know what you are capable of doing.
No, you don't know what I'm capable of doing. I don't even know what you're talking about. If your money is missing, ask that desperate bitch in your house.
I am giving you 3 hours to return my money or I treat you like a thief.
And I'm giving you 1 hour to revisit your will and do the needful. Else you will know no peace.
So, you are really the thief?
No, let's analyze this. Who is the thief here? My mother gave you all her money. You invested it in your business. But what did she get in return? You connived with your concubine and killed her in cold blood. Or do we talk about me? My scholarship money, you invested it in your business. But what do I get in return? You removed my rights from your will. Now tell me, who is the real thief here, Father?
For the last time, where is my money?
Now listen real good. If you are doing all this to avoid you from revisiting your will and do the needful, it won't work.
3 hours, and I will invite the EFCC here.
And in the next 3 minutes, if you do not leave this vicinity, I swear you will regret having me as a son.
Welcome, sir. We are asked to leave this place with our bag.
What? Young man, what is going on? This is my house. I pay taxes, even local taxes as when due. Who sent you to harass my domestic servants? Could you please talk to me? What is going on? Why did you ask my domestic servants to get out of my own house?
I don't want this one, I come for you. I can't tell him Mr. Emeka come out to my size. I want them, I can't ask me, I've been a good boy now. I want to ask, what is the problem now? When I know answer me, when I want to push me, well, let's look for your company for this police.
You're not talking to me. Who sent you here? You're not talking? Who sent you? I want to know. What part of agency are you from?
He's talking to you.
Somebody talk to me.
What is going on here?
Madam, I don't go like what I go punish me for the.
Young lady, you're asked not to come around these premises.
Why? I've asked you before. Who sent you? Who is giving you such order to push my wife out from my own house? Who's giving you such order?
Chief Ikenga, you can come in, but she's not allowed to come in here.
It's not true.
Who gave such order? I mean, who sent you here?
It's not true.
Do you know that this is my husband's house?
If you still remain here in the next 2 minutes, you have a hurry with us.
You are getting me upset, young man.
In the next 1 minute, if you're still here,
You're getting me upset.
Baby, relax. Relax, okay?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Okay. Okay. No problem, boss. Thanks. Chief, you can come in.
You're kind of joke, I said. My wife is going in with me. Before that, I want to know who authorized you to order me around in my own house. Are you crazy?
Baby, you know what? We are just trying to create drama here. Drive in. Hit everyone in. Drive in. Hit them out and drive in. 2 minutes. I double dare you, young man. You want to try me, right? You want to try me?
You want to try too?
What's the meaning of that?
You want to be here?
Baby, go on. Run! Baby, run!
Obi! Open the door! Where is my son? He's coming. Open it!
What are you doing here?
Who are those men? What are they doing in my house? Now call whoever sent them there to order them out of my house.
Father, stop making noise. I've already sold that house to a powerful civilian. You must know.
By who? What am I asking you? By who?
By your heir.
You must be joking.
I don't joke, Father. Have you forgotten the name on that document and where you kept it?
You went too far. Obina, you went too far. You went too far!
Alright, I can see you are stranded. You can move back into the house. Take a little time. When you are done arranging your things and yourself, you can now move out completely. But you see that crook, she will never step her foot into that compound again. Her lying days are over.
Obina, have you forgotten that I'm your father?
The way you forgot I'm your son. God, I don't want to ever see this man here again. Do you understand?
Alright, sir.
Good.
Obina! 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 Obina, you're doing this to me! Will you? Let your hands off me! Let your filthy hands off me!
What a brave man who does not feel afraid. He conquers fear. Obina. His name is Obina. He's well prepared. The fearless man. All the women wage him in okay. His name is Obina. Obio. Obi Dynasty. The fearless man. His name is Obina. Obi Dynasty. Obi Dynasty. The fearless man. The fearless man. His name is Obina. The fearless man. Obina. He have walked through the valley of shadow of death. He fears no evil.
Are you scared?
Down to my marrow. I am just thinking, what if this whole process fails at the end?
Come on, baby.
Nothing is going to happen to you, okay? The process will be successful. Let's just be very positive and optimistic. Like I told you, they are the best in Africa. I trust them.
I've heard so many stories of the greener pasture turning yellow at the end.
That will not be our case. Okay?
I love you so much.
I love you too. I love you so much. And we are going to go through this and come out of it successfully. Just trust the process.
I don't know how to pay you back.
You don't have to, baby. Okay? I love you.
I love you too.
All right, come on.
So how much are you going to pay me for palpating your legs? Well, it is still like a dream to me that I can now walk on my feet. Thank you very much.
It's okay, baby. I mean, you've been saying thank you since we got back. It's okay.
You don't know what this means to me, do you?
Of course I do. I really do understand, okay? You know, let me advise you. You need to always have good people around you. You know, it makes life more easier. Surround yourself with good people.
So for positive vibration, right?
Exactly.
You're right. My goodness. Now tell me, I want you to mention just a thing that you want me to do for you. Just anything money can buy.
Baby, please, I don't want anything at all. All I want is you and your love and your happiness, of course. It's enough for me.
It's no. Just mention anything. I insist.
If I should get a reward for doing this, then I lie when I say I love you.
You rare breed. I'm so much in love with you. Thank you very much.
Let's go to the bed.
She might be right. Obi might be trying to break us. But what about her mother? What about that young man?